In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in OBS Studio. If you're looking to personalize your stream or make your video content a bit more informative, adding text can be a fantastic way to do just that. Whether you want to display viewer messages, credit your collaborators, or simply add some stylized titles, inserting text in OBS Studio is straightforward and quite effective. Let's dive in and walk through this together, step by step. First, you'll need to open up the OBS Studio application on your computer. OBS Studio is a popular choice for streamers and content creators due to its versatility and ease of use. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch the app now and get ready to enhance your content with some text elements. Once you have OBS Studio open, direct your attention to the bottom half of your screen, where you'll find a section labeled Sources. This is where all your video and audio inputs are managed. It's the workspace for building the visual layout of your stream or video. Click on this area to start the process of adding a new element to your scene. The next step involves adding a new source to your current scene. In the Sources section, you'll notice a little plus icon or an Add Source button, depending on the version you're using. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu of various input options you can add to your scene. You'll see options like video capture devices, images, and more. But for today, we're focusing on adding text. Scrolling through the options in the drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Text, GDI+. This is the one you want to select. By choosing this, you'll be able to input custom text using either standard fonts available on your computer or ones you've installed yourself. The use of GDI+ ensures your text is rendered smoothly and can appear very professional. After selecting Text, GDI+, a dialog box will pop up asking you to give your new text source a name. Naming your text source is crucial for keeping everything organized, especially if you plan on using multiple text elements in your project. Choose a descriptive name that makes sense for what you are displaying. It could be something as simple as Title, Credits, or Subtitle. And there you have it. You've added a text source in OBS Studio. From here, you can customize your text further by adjusting the font, size, color, and style to match the aesthetic you're aiming for. You can then move it around in your scene to place it exactly where you want. Remember, having clear and readable text is key, so experiment with different styles and placements to see what works best for you. Hopefully, this has demystified the process and given you the confidence to incorporate text into your OBS Studio projects. Enjoy creating dynamic and engaging streams or videos with this new skill.